Hello, friends and members of Life Point Church. It's Pastor D right here. This is the outside of our church building. I'm at the office, and this is the Blizzard of 2011. I've been out here and scooped this thing about 4 times today, and it keeps filling in on me. But I don't know if you can see this really good or not, but this is crazy. This is absolutely craziness out here. So just wanted to give the guys who do our snow removal a heads up on what they're up against, to come out and get this church ready to go this week. So it's crazy. Topeka, Kansas. There's Life Point Church office. Hey, everybody, stay inside and stay safe. Call you blessed.